Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to class 9 biology. Children, we are learning chapter 6 tissues, and today we are going to start a new part or new topic of the chapter, that is animal tissues. Today we are going to start a new topic of the chapter, that is animal tissues. Okay, so children, before starting the animal tissue, first of all let's discuss about the animal tissue. Already we had learned the definition of the tissue, that tissue is a bunch of cells which forms together for a particular function. It is called as what? It is called as tissue, right? So children, the first question here arise is that, is plant tissue and animal tissue same? क्या प्लांट टिश्यू और एनिमल टिश्यू दोनों सेम हो सकता है? सो डेफिनेटली द आंसर इज नो, बिकॉज प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स दे बोथ आर टोटली डिफरेंट. अगर लुक वाइज देखने जाए तो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत ही ज़्यादा अलग दिखते हैं. इज इट राइट? और उनके फंक्शंस भी अलग अलग हैं. प्लांट्स आर स्टेशनरी, दे हैव टू बी स्टैंड एट वन पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. उनको एक ही प्लेस के ऊपर रहना है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टिश्यूज़ जो होंगे प्लांट के अंदर वो सपोर्टिव टिश्यू होंगे, वो प्लांट को सपोर्ट देंगे सो दैट प्लांट कैन विथस्टैंड इन हैवी रेन और हैवी विंड एक्सेट्रा. जबकि एनिमल्स जो हैं, एनिमल्स आर डूइंग मूवमेंट, दे आर मूविंग इन सर्च ऑफ फूड, दे आर मूविंग हियर एंड देयर. तो टोटली जो टिश्यूज़ होंगे एनिमल टिश्यूज़ वो प्लांट टिश्यूज़ से कैसे होंगे? टोटली डिफरेंट होंगे, राइट? सो और सेकेंड थिंग, दैट एनिमल्स आर परफॉर्मिंग वेरी डिफरेंट फंक्शंस एट अ सेम टाइम. एक ही टाइम के ऊपर रेस्पिरेशन भी करता है एनिमल, डाइजेशन भी हो रहा है उसकी बॉडी में, सर्कुलेशन भी हो रहा है. मीन्स एट द सेम टाइम बहुत सारी प्रोसेसेस चलती रहती हैं एनिमल्स के अंदर. सो टू गिव द प्रॉपर what we can say that basis of the function, जो भी functions animals कर रहा है, on the basis of the function animal tissues are classified into 4 basic types. एनिमल टिश्यूज़ जो हैं वो 4 बेसिक टाइप्स में क्लासीफाई हो रहे हैं. Okay, now let's talk about the function first. If the animal is for the function of protection, अगर protection का function है, then animal having the tissue which is called as epithelial tissue. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Okay, that is what? That is epithelial tissue. Now let's talk about the another function, that is connection. That is connective one organ to another organ. So for the connection, we have the second tissue in plants, that is connective tissue. Okay, now next function is, we can say, the movement. Movement, we can sit, we can walk, we can run, we can bend our body. So all this function, all this movement of an animal done by a tissue, and that is known as muscular tissue. उसे क्या कहा जाता है? Muscular tissue. And last is transmitting signals, or we can say transmission. So for the transmission of the signals, we have another tissue inside our body which is called as nervous tissue. So remember children, we have 4 main types of tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. So let's start with the epithelial tissue first, which is mainly for the protection, right? So we are starting with the epithelial tissue. So first of all, let's discuss about the word meaning of the word epithelial. So children, epi means up. So it is the most upper part of our body और also inside our organs. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर बहुत सारे organs होते हैं, तो organ के ऊपर भी one layer of tissue present होता है, that is which tissue? Epithelial tissue, right? So ये जो tissue है, it is the simplest protective tissue in our body. Epithelial tissue is the simplest protective tissue in our body and it covers the most organ and cavities of the body. ये हमारी बॉडीज की सारे ऑर्गन्स को और कैविटीज़ को कवर करते हैं, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ according to the number of type of the shape of the cell or according on the basis of the layers of the cell, epithelial tissue is further divided into subtypes on the basis of the shape of the cells, and second, that is number of layers of cell. Epithelial tissue is divided into how many types? Is divided into three main types. That is squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, and columnar epithelium. On the basis of the shape of the cells, epithelial tissue is further divided into three types, that is squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium and columnar epithelium. यहाँ पे shape की बात हो रही है, तो squamous is a Latin word which means scales. Scales mean not the measuring scales. Here the scale meaning is the scales which are present on the fish. So that scale is very much flat. तो स्क्वैमस टिश्यू के जो भी सेल्स होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? फ्लैट होते हैं. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस वर्ड यू कैन गेट द आइडिया कैसा शेप होगा इन सेल्स का. द सेल्स हैविंग क्यूब like shape, and column means we can say the pillar, tall shapes are present to cells are present over here. So according to the shape of the cell, the epithelial tissue is divided into squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium and columnar epithelium. In our next video, we will see in detail the squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium and columnar epithelium.